Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to get started with Webull. Webull is a free online trading platform that offers commission-free trading, real-time market data, and a range of trading tools. To get started with Webull, first download and install the Webull app from the App Store or visit the Webull website to sign up. The first step is to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to provide identification documents to verify your identity. Once your account is created, you will need to fund it by depositing money from your bank account or other payment methods. After funding your account, you can start exploring the Webull platform. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and market data. You can also access a range of trading tools, including charts, technical indicators, and news feeds. To place a trade, simply select the stock or option you want to buy or sell. Enter the quantity and price, and confirm the trade. One of the key features of Webull is its paper trading feature, which allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. You can also access a range of educational resources, including tutorials, webinars, and market analysis. To get the most out of Webull, it is essential to understand the different types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. You should also be aware of the risks associated with trading, including market volatility, liquidity risks, and trading fees. In conclusion, getting started with Webull is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, funding it, and exploring the platform. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features and resources, you can start trading with confidence and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk to achieve success in the markets.